Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we delve into the latest and most intriguing stories from the world of entertainment. Today, we're unpacking a topic that's been making waves across social media and fan forums: the controversy surrounding Musa Mselegu's fifth wife, Usamge Makwela in Utando Nestembo. Is she real or is it all a facade? Let's dive in. But before we do, let's listen to this.
Kwenze nje ingubo ezinhle, so I came across a page lakhe on Instagram and I fell in love with his work, so ngamcela ukuthi sihlangane because ngifuna ukuthi singasebenzisana yini on a dress that I want. Ngiyabonga ukuthi uze ngokushesha when I called. I have a thing, a member coming maduzane ne. So from what I've seen on your Instagram, I'm gonna show you what I like, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay, cool.
From what I saw, cause mina nkosiyami ngisanginayo ifix angabi nayo kwamanje. We're gonna take bits and pieces of designs that I've seen and then we put them together. Yeah. Umsebenzi wakhe ngiwuthanda ngoba I love ngezansi, and then the top ibele nkosiyami lisqueeze kahle. I like this top part.
So
Something like this la phezulu.
nomhezo uyawudinga?
The color.
Umhezo lo.
Oh, this thingy. Yes. Leoklonipies. Yeah, I think we should also put it in the.
So, to give you a background on Umusa Mselegu and his wives, and then now introducing Makwela into the mix. So Umusa Mselegu is a prominent figure known for his polygamous lifestyle, and he has been in the spotlight for his reality show Utando Nestembo, which offers viewers a glimpse into his life with multiple wives. Each wife, we have Umacele, Mayeni, Makumalo, and Umangwabe, has brought her own unique story and personality to the show, captivating the audiences nationwide and internationally. However, it's the fifth wife, Usamge Kwela, who has stirred the most controversy, with allegations suggesting she might be fake, like she might not be the fifth wife, it's just for views. It's the production crew that's bringing it into the mix to cause controversy and increase ratings. So there's been allegations that Usamge is a fake wife. So the speculation began when viewers noticed inconsistencies in Samge's backstory and behavior. Some fans took to platforms like TikTok to express their doubts, pointing out the discrepancies that didn't add up. That is between what we're watching now, that is the show, the episodes that we're watching currently, and where they are now, or where allegedly they claim to be now. So now again, I think the confusion again, I'm just saying before we continue with this video, is that reality shows are shot like a year earlier and then we only watch them now, because now people are like, how is she pregnant now? I guess some people saw her not pregnant currently. So I think it's because it was shot long back, and maybe she has given birth, or Lobola has been paid. Now in this reality show, they are just acting out the events that happened. I'm sorry for going on a tangent. So despite the buzz, there hasn't been concrete evidence to confirm these claims. It's essential to approach such allegations with caution and rely on verified information. So in this episode, it's not recent, but it's one of the episodes this season, in the latest season of Utando Nestembo, like based on the slip again that I put for you, we saw Samge preparing for her wedding, collaborating with a renowned designer to create her dream dress. The episode showcased her excitement and the intricate process of designing her custom gown. This episode has added another layer to the controversy. Some viewers felt it humanized her, while others believed it was part of an elaborate act. But guys, how is it an elaborate act? This is my 2 cents. Because now we've seen her, the team going to pay Lobola for her. Now she's preparing a dress. Now doesn't it solidify that she's a real Makoti? Like she's been married into the family. Like she's not fake, guys. But of course everyone is allowed to air their opinions, just as I'm reviewing and airing my my opinions here. So as usual, public opinion is divided. While some fans have shown unwavering support, others remain skeptical. I'm not sure if the show producers will address this or allow them, the cast or the people like the family or in the season, they will address this directly, like on the show, to show us that she's really real, like she's been married, or they will leave fans to draw their conclusion. But I think the producers, knowing the producers of most reality shows, I think they'll just leave fans to draw their own conclusions, or they will show us the real tea in the next season. That is just my guess, guys. So this is a testament to the show's impact, that it can spark such passionate discussions amongst its audience, because it's been there's been a lot of traffic in the streets of social media where people are asking themselves, is this real or is it fake? Some are even questioning the fact that in one of the episodes she said that she drinks, but Mselegu doesn't allow his wife to drink. No one drinks in Mselegu's family, especially when it comes to the wives, even the dress code, wearing leggings and all of that. But I mean, things change, people change. What if Mselegu now allows it? You never know. So upon reviewing the available information, there hasn't been any official statement confirming or denying Samge's authenticity. Yeah. So without concrete evidence, it's challenging to ascertain the truth. So I think until more information emerges, it's crucial to approach the situation with an open mind and avoid jumping into conclusions. So as I conclude this, I think I would say that the controversy surrounding Usamge Kwela highlights the complexities of reality television and the narratives it presents. Whether she's genuine or not, the discussion she has sparked reflect the show's profound impact on its audience. So guys, what are your thoughts? Tell me in the comment sections. What are your thoughts? Which camp are you on? Are you still on the camp that Samge is fake, or Samge is a Makoti? She has been lobola, now she's part of the Musamselegu family. Because again, just to add before I leave, is that I saw one of the posts on TikTok where someone posted and said allegedly that Usamge has already given birth to Musa's child and she has been seen staying in Mzumbe. I'm not sure how true it is. It's just an allegation. And also that they've been allegedly seen having breakfast, going out together. So it makes me to believe that Usamge is a real Makoti. I mean, based on all the events that have happened again on the show this season, I believe Usamge is one of the wife, and wife number 5 is now residing, or she's now part of the Musamselegu family. Anyway, we still have some more episodes left in the season. Hopefully we get more clarity on that. So guys, thank you so much for joining us on this session, this deep dive. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. Share your thoughts below. Do you believe Samge is real or a part of a scripted storyline? Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and may you be blessed and favored in everything that you do. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.